Hey guys, on today's video we'll be in Disneyland inside Star Wars Galaxy's Edge riding on the Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
This is the group I've been waiting for, yes! Come in! I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would set my friends into danger? You insult my honor, and believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
One of the engines blew up.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so,
Swing around behind the rest of your crew here.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
I don't know, this guy's filming. He might be from the First Order. He might be a spy from the First Order.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Cargo's breaking. Keep shooting. I thought you had it. A gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! What's up? Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out of here! Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chew is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be fun. Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that feels rough.
You know, there's a lot of people that haven't been very kind to Smugglers Run since it came out, but I think in and of itself, it's a pretty good attraction. You know, first off, just having the Millennium Falcon in the middle of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is such a centerpiece for that land that it's hard to imagine it not being there. And the ride really is good. It's very interactive, and being the pilot is super cool when you're up in the front row. One of the things I've realized is it's hard to be up in the front, being the pilot and recording at the same time. So it was kind of nice in this video being in the back to where I could just focus on recording the ride while I was on it. But a lot of people talk negatively about Smugglers Run. I think a lot of it is comparing it to Rise of the Resistance, which there's just no comparison. Rise of the Resistance is probably the greatest attraction at any theme park of all time. I also think there was a lot of disappointment when Star Wars Galaxy's Edge opened and it was just Smugglers Run that opened for the first year or so. So that led to some bad publicity about Smugglers Run because people were really excited about Rise of the Resistance and having to wait on it. But once again, in and of itself, It's a pretty darn good ride, and I have a lot of fun every time I go on it. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching, and take care.